Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to add a custom button to the Jira issue view using issue action module in Forge. So imagine you are looking at Jira ticket, now it's called work item. You click at the little three-dot menu in the top right corner, also known as a kebab menu, and now wouldn't it be cool if one of those menu items was your app? And that's exactly what the issue action module lets you do. You can add a custom menu item that opens a model window when clicked. And this model window is powered by Forge. It can show custom content, collect user input, or trigger any backend logic you need. To use a backend logic, you as always need to connect a function called resolver. This function helps load data before the model appears. It can fetch issue details, user info, or anything else you want to show. There are many other configuration options available, and you can find all the details in the official documentation. Setting it up is pretty straightforward. First, you will create a new Forge app using the forge create command and select the issue action template. You can choose between a custom UI example or UIKit example, depending on which approach you prefer. The key part of this example is a manifest file, where the issue action model is defined, the resource folder with a custom UI example, and the resolver function which allows your UI to communicate with the Forge backend. Now let's go through the standard steps to prepare your app for deployment. There are always four main steps. Install all the dependencies, build the custom UI, deploy the app to the Forge platform, and finally install it on your cloud instance. I will show all these steps quickly. Now we can check that our app is installed properly and that our dummy issue action has appeared in the kebab menu. Yep, there is it. Right now it just opens a mostly empty and ugly model dialog. Let's take a look at some of the most popular use cases for this module. It's best suited for features that related to a specific Jira issue, but don't need to be always visible on the screen. Since the model always appears in the context of specific issue, it's perfect for integration with third-party tools that works with issues data. For example, you could show related Git commits pulled from your source control system. You can also use it for additional notifications, fetching issue-related data, or displaying prompts only when it's needed. Here's an example, a tool that analyzes the issue content and show the extra insights in a model when triggered. Another great use case is when you want to perform extra actions on the issue itself, like this one label suggestion feature that recommends the best labels based on issue content. And sometimes you might want to include something not directly tied to particular issue data, but still useful in context of issue view. Take this one, for instance, a fun little widget called Talk to the Duck, where you can explain the problem to a virtual rabbit duck to help clear your thoughts and find a solution. As you can see, the issue action module gives you a lot of flexibility. It's all about extending Jira in a way that's helpful, contextual, and out of the way until you need it.